Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome you to the magnificent world of the amazing cockatiels. My name is Chucky from Beyond, and I'll be the narrator of this video today for you. Today, we will take a journey into the colorful world of the parrots in Iran, focusing especially on the captivating birds of Kish Island, from the turquoise waters of Persian Gulf to the nation's verdant parks and wild landscapes. Iran is home to a surprising variety of these fascinating creatures. Kish Island, a popular tourist destination in the Persian Gulf, is known for its beautiful and magnificent beaches and vibrant atmosphere, but is also a heaven for parrots. The island's subtropical climate and abundant vegetation creates an ideal condition for these birds to thrive. While many are introduced species, they have become an integral part of the island's ecosystem. One of the most common parrots you'll see on Kish Island is the Alexandrine parakeet. These medium-sized parrots, with their distinctive maroon patches on their wings, are also known for their loud calls and social behavior. You'll also find these rose-ringed parakeet, easily identified by the male's characteristic rose-colored ring around the neck. These species are often observed in the Kish Island parks and gardens, where they feed on seeds, fruits, and flowers. Beyond Kish Island, however, mainland Iran boasts a rich avian diversity. While parrots are not as widespread as in some tropical regions, they do inhabit certain areas. The country's varied geography, from the Caspian Forest to the Zagros Mountains, provides habitats for a range of bird species, including some parrots. While detailed scientific studies on wild parrot populations within Iran are limited, observations and local reports indicate the presence of species like the rose-ringed parakeet in certain areas. These birds can be found in parks and agricultural lands, often near urban centers. It's crucial to acknowledge that many of these populations are likely introduced and have adapted to the local environment. The presence of introduced parrot species, even if they have historical significance, raises questions about their impact on the native ecosystem. While they add to the island's charm, it's important to monitor the population and understand their ecological role. Conservation efforts, if any, should focus on maintaining a healthy balance within the ecosystem. For visitors and locals alike, interacting with these magnificent birds should be done responsibly. Avoid feeding them processed food or anything that could harm their health. Observe them from a respectful distance and appreciate their natural beauty. Before we conclude, it's worth noting a fascinating historical detail. It is said that some of the parrot populations we see today, particularly in urban areas and places like Kish Island, can trace their origins back to the time of Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi. He was known to have a fondness for exotic animals, and it's believed that he introduced various parrot species to royal gardens and parks during his rule. Over time, some of these birds escaped or were released, establishing themselves in the wild. This historical context is important for understanding the presence of these birds. While they may not be native to Iran, they have adapted to the environment, becoming a part of the modern Iranian landscape. From the lively streets of Kish Island to the diverse landscapes of mainland Iran, parrots bring a touch of the exotic to this ancient land. Their vibrant colors and lively calls remind us of the beauty and diversity of the natural world. Thank you very much for watching. I am Shuki from Beyond, your narrator, and I hope you didn't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to be notified of our future uploads. Give us your 2 cents in the comment section and or any video ideas you want to see. I'll see you next time, and I use a pair of shorts to noise cancel my microphones.